Hey, it's your boy. I'm back with another script documentation. On this documentation, I'm going to be talking about the new script that I created just yesterday. And this script is called M0073R, which stands for audio toggle off and on whenever you switch to a different scene, basically. So the way this works, you load the script first, and you get this output here. So this is where you'll see all the available scenes that you have. And then after that, you have this button, which is a plus button. So this is how you would add the audio or the microphone that you want to mute or unmute when you are in a different scene, basically. So you click on this, it gives you this this UI here where you select audible. So this is where you will see all the available audio things that you can work with. And then after that, you have a scene. So this is what scene you want this audible to like be activated or deactivated on, basically. So let's say I want to work with mic on scene 1. Confirm. Of course, once you're done that, you're not going to see any changes. That's because you actually have to reload it to see the changes. So once you reload the scripts by clicking this button, you will see the new thing that I added, which is on scene 1, and it's the microphone. By default, the value is set to undefined state. That's because you have to actually interact with it to actually make it work. So if I click mute, you'll notice we're currently on the scene 1 here. And you can see mic is actually muted. That's because I clicked mute, the mute function. And if I unmute, we'll see on real time, it's also going to unmute as well. So this is just for, to see, it just shows you that it works. But the reason why you would use this script is that if you switch to a different scene and you want a specific microphone or video audio to mute itself or to unmute itself, then you would check this box. But if you wanted to, if you wanted to be unmuted, you would uncheck the box and it would say unmuted. So that means I'm gonna go ahead and add another one. Let's go with audio desktop as well. Put it on scene 1. Reload, you'll see it's undefined state. You have to interact with it to change the state. And let's also add the same values, but in this case, we're gonna add it to a different scene. Scene 2, there we go, all right. There we go. Now, we have this scene 1, which has, let's say in scene 1, we want the mic and the desktop audio to be unmuted. And then in scene 2, we want the desktop audio and the mic to be muted. So just like that, now if we take a look, you can see desktop audio is unmuted on scene 1, but if I switch to scene 2, you'll notice it automatically mutes the desktop audio and also the mic audio. Going back to scene 1, you notice it unmutes the desktop audio and then also unmutes the mic audio. So that's how you could use this script. And yeah, whenever you switch to a different scene, you can make it, mute certain audio or microphone and then also unmute them as well if you want to do that too. And the way let's say you wanted to delete them, and the way you would do that is by double clicking on the thing that you want to remove. So if you double click, you see it goes ahead and removes it. Double click, double click, double click, double click, double click. There we go. You have to be quick. But yeah, just like that, it goes ahead and deletes those. And now it will just stay the same on all the scenes, basically. It will not be muted anymore because you have deleted them, basically. And that's how this script works. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and download it. Try it out yourself if you want to. The link should be in the description, but if it's not in the description, just go on OBS Forms and then search my name, which is IIXISII. All right. Thanks for being a very good viewer.